everyone, this is Anusha. Today we are going to start with the topic commutative property. Yesterday we will discuss closure property. Commutative property. For rational numbers, addition and multiplication are commutative. For rational numbers, addition and multiplication are commutative. Commutative law of addition. Commutative law. What is commutative law of addition? A plus B is equals to B plus A. For example, A value వచ్చేసి 5/6 అనుకోండి, B వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 7/8. A plus B వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుంది? 5/6 ప్లస్ 7/8. 6 8 जा 48. 8 5 जा 40. 6 7 जा 42. So 40 plus 42 by 48. 40 plus 42 is what? 82 by 48. 82 by 48. 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 41 by 28. And also B plus A equals to, what is B value? 7/8. What is A value? 5/6. 8 5 8 6 are 48. 6 7s are 42. Plus cross multiplication, 8 5 is 40. 42 plus 40 equals to what? 82 by 48. 82 by 48. 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are, that equals to 41 by 24. 41 by 24. B plus A equals to 41 by 24. And A plus B is equals to 41 by 24. Therefore, A plus B equals to B plus A. Hence proved. Multiplication. Next, multiplication. A into B equals to B into A. For example, A equals to 5/6, B equals to 7/8. For example, A into B equals to 5/6 into 7/8. So 6 8s are 48. 5 7s are 35. A into B equals to 35 by 48. And also B into A. B value 7/8 into A value వచ్చేసి 5/6. 8 6 are 48. 7 5 are 35. A cross B is equals to 35 by 48. And B into A equals to 35 by 48. Therefore, A into B equals to B into A. And division and subtraction are not commutative property. And the next property is associative property. Associative property satisfies addition and multiplication. So rational numbers follow the associative property for addition and multiplication. Associative property for addition. A plus of B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. And the associative property of multiplication is A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. For example, A plus B A equals to 5 by 6, B equals to 7 by 8 and C equals to 9 by 10. A plus of B plus C is equals to A value enta 5 by 6 plus of B enta 7 by 8 plus C value వచ్చేసి 9 by 10. 9 by 10. That is equals to 5 by 6 plus 8 tens are 80. Cross multiplication 7 into 10, 7 tens are 70 plus 8 nines are 72. That is equals to 5 by 6 plus 80. 70 plus 72, 142. That is equals to 5 by 6 plus 142 by 80. That is equals to 80 into 6. That is equals to 480. 480. 5 into 80. 5 into cross multiplication 5 into 80 equals to 5 8s are 40. 400. 142 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 4s are 24 plus 125. 2 6 1s are 6. 7 8. 852. 400 plus 852 by 480. 400 plus 852. 1252 by 480. And also A plus B plus C equals to 5 by 6 plus 7 by 8 of 9 by 10. 6 8s are 48. Cross multiplication 5 8s are 40. 6 7s are 42. Divided by 48 plus 9 by 10. 9 by 10. 40 plus 42 by 48. 40 plus 42 is what? 82 by 48 plus 9 by 10. 48 tens are 480. Cross multiplication 8 2 tens are 820. 48 nines are 432. Divided by 480. 820 plus 432 is equals to 1252 by 480. Therefore, A plus of B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Addition property is also satisfied in this property. And also do this multiplication. A cross of B cross C is equals to A cross B cross C. It is also satisfied associative property. Then we go to distributive property. A comma B and C are rational numbers. Then A cross of B plus C is equals to A cross of B plus A cross of C. For example, A equals to 1 by 2, B equals to 3 by 4 and C equals to 5 by 6. Then we find A cross of B plus C. A cross of B plus C is equals to 38 by 48. And also find the A cross of B plus A cross of C. Then the answer is 38 by 48. Therefore, A cross of B plus A cross of C is equals to A cross of B plus C is also satisfied distributive property.